There is a time to be solemn and a time to be smiling. Today is our day to smile, because today we're delighted to share the success of our decade-long National Outreach Program with our closest friends, you.
जो NOP स्कॉलरशिप है, अमीरों की तरफ से गरीबों को बहुत अच्छा तोहफा दिया गया है।
ये गिफ्ट है और गिफ्ट कभी भी फ्री नहीं आता।
I now feel proud of being an NOP। जहाँ तक वो लोग नहीं पहुँच सके जिनकी 8 फैक्ट्रीज थी या जिनके अब्बा का पता नहीं किस चीज़ का बिजनेस था, वहाँ तक मैं पहुँच गई हूँ।
I wouldn't have words to say anything to them because they've done so much to change your life.
I used to say to my parents कि अम्मी होना है तो लम्स में होना है, फिर और कहीं नहीं जाना मुझे।
NOP sort of presented such a natural possibility. I mean, it was there when I needed it.
Today, we'd like to share with you the NOP journey that started back in 2001. Back then, the students were few, the funds fewer. Today, the National Outreach Program has become one of LUM's most prized initiatives. Not only because of what goes into it, but also because the product that comes out of it. Many of us are entrepreneurs. We'd like to make clever investments so we can eventually reap rewards for ourselves. Some of us make investments for others.
Once you help a student, you're helping the whole family. So you can see that once they go back, and a lot of the students which came for the NOP program appreciate this, and they have these kind of ambitions. They want to go back and set up schools in their in the cities they came from or the towns they came from. They want to spread education, or they want to do something for society. So that's something which, instead of just helping one person, you're almost helping the society as a whole.
The most powerful attack on the problems of this country is education. It's a multi-pronged attack. You attack so many problems if you educate the people of the country. So if any person who has a surplus amount of money available, and I can think of no better means of spending it than promoting education, especially education for underprivileged people.
Look, this is contagious. So when this student goes back to the Radham Hill or Zob somewhere in Balochistan, that small town, every kid looks towards him, that his life has changed, how has he achieved, and it can be done.
LUMS was founded back in 1985 with the intention of being a world-class educational institution that is the center of excellence, and it quickly became just that. Today, after a quarter of a century, LUMS is synonymous with the word excellence. With each passing year, it has grown in numbers and in stature. Today, LUMS graduates are the most well-prepared and sought-after professionals in all sectors, known for their diligence, problem-solving, and communication skills. Without education, a child's life is incomplete, and he may become a liability for the society. Education, and more importantly, college and university education, provides the light that guides the young and the old. Only in the province of Punjab, an estimated 25 million children don't go to schools. And those who do have the potential to change everything around them. Every little heart that beats also has a dream in it. All that is needed is a little help by perhaps us, the more privileged ones.
The NOP program is a crucial program because it is all about access to excellence. So we want to go and search nationwide. We want to find the best and the brightest.
तो मेरे रिलेटिव थे, उन्होंने कहा कि आप नहीं पढ़े हुए हो तो आपके बच्चे क्या पढ़ेंगे, इतनी महंगी तालीम है, आपसे नहीं पढ़ाए जाएंगे, छोड़े बस इनकी शादी वगैरह करना, थोड़ा बहुत पढ़ा दो इनको। तो जब मेरी बच्ची ने मैट्रिक में कुल पाकिस्तान मैट्रिक वार्ड में 3री पोजीशन ली, तो वो कहने लगे वाकई भी आसन तेरे बच्चे बहुत लायक हैं। और जब उनको पता लगा लम्स में वगैरह में हैं, और वो उनकी तो आँखें खुल जाती हैं, परेशान हो जाते हैं वो लोग। वो क्या सभी परेशान हैं कि ये रिक्शा स्टैंड का चौकीदार और ये कहाँ से कहाँ बच्चों को पढ़ा रहा है, किस तरह इसके बच्चे पढ़ रहे हैं, क्या नाम इसका पैदा हो रहा है। तो ये मेरे मालिक का करम है सारा जो कुछ भी है। और जब वहाँ गया हूँ तो सर मेरे साथ बड़ी मेरी इज़्ज़त अफजाई हुई है कि मेरे लिए बोर्ड पूरा 8 बंदों का बोर्ड था, मेरे लिए उठ के खड़ा हो गया। और ये मेरे लिए सबसे बड़ा एक इज़्ज़त का मुकाम है वहाँ पर, जो कि मुझे वहाँ मिला, और मैं इसको कभी फरामोश नहीं कर सकता।
पढ़े लिखे माँ बाप होते हैं, वो तो बच्चे को पढ़ाते नहीं, आगे बढ़ाते कि चलो पढ़े लिखे, लेकिन अनपढ़ आदमी के बच्चे पढ़ लें तो ये तो गॉड गिफ्ट है ऊपर वाले की कि मेरे को गिफ्ट मिली। ज़्यादा खुशी अगर जहन में कोई नहीं आती तो एक ही आती है, तो पाकिस्तान की 1 नंबर की यूनिवर्सिटी लम्स, जिसके अंदर मेरा बेटा गया।
The NOP was initiated in 2001 with the exact same objective, to provide the worthy students the platform they need and richly deserve. It is a program that gives an opportunity to the bright and the brilliant to leave their smaller cities and towns where there is hardly any college and come to LUMS. It is an opportunity for those students who have an outstanding FA/FSC results to apply for a fully funded 4-year undergraduate program.
हमें कोई इतना खास गैप नज़र नहीं आता, इंटेलेक्चुअल गैप वगैरह इतना नज़र नहीं आ रहा। आई थिंक वो गैप कवर हो गया था उसी वक्त जब हमने टेस्ट क्लियर कर लिया था। अब जो गैप वो फाइनेंशियल रह गया था वो उस वक्त कवर हो गया जब NOP हो गई। अब कोई गैप नहीं है, हम सेम आई थिंक यहाँ पर।
बेसिकली घर वालों का ये इशू था कि अगर मैं आगे एजुकेशन परस्यू करना चाहता हूँ तो हाउ दे विल फंड मी।
जब मैं यहाँ पे आई तो आई सॉ द एनवायरनमेंट एंड एवरीथिंग, उसने मुझे इतना ज़्यादा इंस्पायर किया कि इट जस्ट बिकेम अ ड्रीम।
वेल यू गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू लर्न and make your way in life. You may or may not succeed, but chances are you will if you have decent education. Much greater chance to get on in life, and if you can make a living, this is the purpose. If you can contribute to society in various forms, so be it. If you are a teacher and you go and teach 1,000 children, I think you have done what was expected of you at a higher level of education.
सबसे बड़ी बात ये है लम्स की कि वो स्कॉलरशिप देने के बाद भी ये बच्चे को एहसास नहीं दिलाते कि आप जो स्कॉलरशिप पे पढ़ रहे हैं।
इसके लिए हम लम्स वालों के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा मशकूर हैं उनके, कि उन्होंने NOP के ज़रिए हमें इतना मौका फराहम किया है कि हमारा बच्चा उधर पढ़ सके। वैसे तो हम इस काबिल नहीं थे कि हम अपने बच्चे को उधर तालीम दिलवा सकते।
हमने तो ऐसा महसूस किया कि शायद कि दुनिया की बहुत बड़ी जो है ना, हमें जो है ना कोई नेमत जो है ना अल्लाह ताला ने इनायत की है। बहुत ज़्यादा खुशी हुई है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा।
पहले इसको दाखिला मिला तो ठीक है, खुश तो मैं हुई, लेकिन मुझे ये था कि जब तक फाइनेंशियल एड नहीं मिलेगी तो ये वहाँ नहीं पढ़ सकेगा। लेकिन जब जिस दिन इसको एड मिली फिर बहुत खुश थी।
The NOP at LUMS is not a charity. It is the right of our youth to a better and brighter life. As the cost of living and cost of education goes up, there must be a stream of funding for these minds.
We need to bring in a different segment because that's what's going to actually help us address the academic aspects also. So it's not only trying to give those segments of society an opportunity. I believe that also helps the others who are here.
When you earn from the society, it's time, that you pay back to the society. And if everybody and everyone realizes this, I think the kind of problems we have in the society, there wouldn't be, I wouldn't say it wouldn't be any, but we can really minimize this problem.
We've had NOP students, one after the other, not 1, 2, 3, but dozens and dozens and dozens of them, where in 4 years of education at LUMS has increased the household income by as much as or more than 4 times. Now that's value for investment.
We are confident that you will reach out to these young scholars like many have done in the past.
The ultimate dream is the number of students available to join. We have got hundreds and thousands of nuggets all over the country. The one thing I would say to the genie is get us more funding. That's all is required. The only challenge is funding, nothing else. And we appeal to everybody, please help.
There's an old Persian saying, Tawangri badilas na bamal. Ke generosity doesn't depend on the size of your pocket. You got to have the heart for it.
The National Outreach Program is not about their education. It is about the society's transformation.
I want to go to an Ivy League school.
Come, give wings to their dreams. The NOP journey continues. The lamp burns brighter than before.